morning, boys and girls. Guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn a brand new word. And this word, I just happen to have it right here. Look at this. Does anyone know what word this is? This is the word is. That's right. The word is. The word we're going to learn today is the word is. Can you say that word with me? Is. That's right. Let's say it one more time. Is. How about one more time? Just by yourself. Go ahead.
Is.
That's correct. Good job, boys and girls. Now, let's look at the letters. How many letters are in the word is?
Two.
That's exactly right. There are two. The first is the long, skinny one with a dot on top. Does anyone know that letter? That is the letter I. That's a small I. And then the second letter is the letter S. I-S. All right, let's spell it together. Can we do that? I-S. And that makes the word is. Let's spell it one more time together. I-S. And that makes the word is. That's right. Now, boys and girls, what I want you to do, and this is one of my favorite things, we're going to write this in the air. Can you do that with me? Let's begin. Let's start with the I. We start at the midline, and we draw a straight line all the way down to the baseline, and we put our dot on top. That's the small I. And then we make our S right next to it. Big S right there, right by the I. We make our S. Good job, boys and girls. Now erase it. Make sure it's all nice and clean as we get ready to do it again. Let's go I dot S. That's right. Erase that one more time. Let's do it one more time. I-S. Good job. And what does I-S spell? Is. That's exactly right. Now, what I want you to do is this. Let's tap our arm as we spell this word together, okay? All right, here we go. I-S is. Let's try that again, boys and girls. I-S is. Now you try it.
I-S is.
Very good, boys and girls. You do that so well. Now, let's write the word on our table. Can we do that? Let's start with that. All right, here we go. I-S is. Good job, boys and girls. Now erase it. Erase it all off. Let's try it again. I-S is. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing such a great job. Now, how about we use this word in a sentence? I just happen to have some sentences here. That would be, these are great sentences for us to learn how to use the word is. Let's start with the top sentence here. Let's read it together. My dog is mean. Do you guys have a dog?
Yes.
Yeah, you guys have dogs. And is your dog mean? You guys don't have mean dogs. That's right. My dogs aren't mean. Let's try that again. My dog is mean. What's our word we're looking for?
Is.
Let's draw a circle around is. We'll draw that together there. It's not a very good circle, but at least you know where the word is. Let's try the next one. All right. Is it cold? That's a question, isn't it? See the question mark at the very end? Is it cold? Now this looks a little different than this is, doesn't it? You know why? Because here we have a capital I, a big I. Let's go ahead and circle is. And a lot of questions begin with the word is. Is it cold right now? It's not really cold right now. It's warming up. Is it warm? We could answer yes to that, couldn't we? So let's use the word is in a sentence. You come up with a sentence this time. Let's come up with a word using the word is in a sentence. Any ideas? Anybody have an idea?
Me.
What is your sentence?
Is Is it time for recess?
Is it time for recess? That's a great way to use the word is in a sentence. And the answer is, it's this close to almost going to recess. So we've got, is it close to recess? How about this? Is it almost spring break? That's another great way to use the word is, because we're going to be going to spring break soon. Now, boys and girls, what I did is I wrote down the word is in a couple other spots. You see where I wrote the word is right here? All right, that's a lowercase I and a lowercase s. And then down here, you're going to see some blanks. So we're going to fill in the blanks together. But before we do that, let's make a word box. Can we make a word box together? Let's see what it would look like. I'm going to try to do this just kind of free-handed with nothing on me. So we're going to try this word box here. Oh, I almost did it really good there. We drew a word is in the word box. Let's try to draw just the word box so you can get used to how that is shaped. We come down, over, up, back over, and then we make just a little bit of a bump there to get the dot on top of the I. So that's our word box. Now, we already spelled the word is. How do we spell it? I-S. That's right. So here's the word is, but we're missing a letter here. Anybody have any idea what that letter could be? We've got blank in the letter S. What letter is missing?
I.
The letter I. So let's go ahead and put a lowercase I right there. And what does that spell? Let's spell it together. I.
Oh,
S.
sorry.
Is. That's right. Okay, let's go over here, boys and girls. We've got the letter I, but we're missing a letter over here. What do you think it could be?
S.
S is right. I knew you all would get that one. Let's spell it together one more time. I. S. Is. What is our word today?
Is.
That's exactly right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our word for today, which is, and I'm going to put it on our word wall. Now, does anybody know where this would go on the word wall? What letter would we put it under? Will we put it under the letter S?
No.
No, we probably shouldn't put it under the letter S. How about the letter R? Should we put it under R?
No.
There's no R in here, is there? So what letter should we put it under?
I.
Exactly right. We're going to put it on the word wall under the letter I. And when you are writing this word, just all you got to do is go to the word wall and take a look, and you can find it there. All right, boys and girls, you guys did such a good job today. Awesome. Let's go to that recess. It's time.